Hi, we're David and Laurel, the husband and wife team at Infinite Home. And today we're going to be taking you on a behind-the-scenes tour of how we put together our Home for All Seasons project. When our clients first came to us, they wanted to make some meaningful updates in their home. Their family dynamics had changed. They were introducing husbands to their family and grandkids, and really just wanted the space to function really well for how their new day-to-day living was evolving to.
The original kitchen had a peninsula that was really cutting off the kitchen from the living room and the keeping room, and really just the traffic flow wasn't working, and it was very segmented.
They really, one of the really important things for Rob was to be able to sit at the island, eat some snacks, watch the game. And for Terry, it was to have her family with her in the kitchen as she's preparing meals, and they can be cooking together because they also had this beautiful keeping room, and just really wanting to make sure that everything felt connected and purposeful in that space for them. For this renovation, the kitchen, mudroom, keeping room, breakfast room, they were all within visual line of sight of each other. So it was really important for us to have a cohesion throughout, while allowing for each of those spaces to be an individual moment, if you will. We had wood stain that was the same. We had brass throughout, and then even the ribbed glass in multiple locations.
We chose to go with custom cabinets instead of pre-manufactured cabinets because in this kitchen, every inch mattered. We had a lot of custom details, very specific looks we were going for, and a lot of specific functionality. And going with custom cabinets allows us to get down to the 1/4 inch, 1/16 of an inch, whatever we need, as specific as we need for widths, depths, and also gives us ultimate flexibility with the features and functionality of the cabinets.
Rob and Terry are artistically minded, so bringing in beautiful elements to a space that they use every day was something that was top of mind for us. We had a lot of fun at the vent hood area. We brought in all these beautiful soft curves, had a layering of materials with the marble, the brass, the plaster on the vent hood. Really, it was an incredible opportunity for us to give Terry this beautiful place that she gets to use every day, and that would also bring her inspiration. A few months after we were done with the renovation, Rob and Terry had us over. We got to see firsthand how they were enjoying the space, living in it, heard stories from the holidays, from their friends and family, and compliments.
And Laurel and I are just so grateful for their trust in our team, allowing us to design and build this beautiful space for them.